What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty. My blog is thexking.com, and on this very dark day today, just getting out of work, and I want to shoot a quick video on how to save money, how to cut things out. Me and wife has done cut some bills out and some things that people might not have thought about till recently. So, saving money, one way to make more money is to save more money. If you're trying to make more money, the best thing you could do is look at your bills and what can you eliminate. And we eliminated some bills and we did it ourselves. And one bill that we got eliminated was the pest control service, the Orchid Man. The Orchid Man was a great service, and we didn't leave them because there was a poor service. It's a really good service. The only bad thing was that, was paying $77 every other month. So let's round it up plus tax. You almost $80 every other month. So in monthly, that's $40 a month. And in the beginning, yeah, I used them. I had these spider crickets in my home. Camel crickets, what they call them, in my home, and I got it because they were hard to kill. So I got me pest control service to get rid of them, which is fine and dandy. But once you have a kid, stuff gotta get cut. So that's what happened. I had my son, and stuff had to go. So I called and canceled them, and I invested in a 1-gallon water sprayer, which I'll do a review about that. I'm about to get Togstar Pro, Togstar P, and I heard it's a good chemical insecticide to use, and I'm gonna use that to keep the bugs out. So I can spray the yard, I can spray the trees, the perimeter, the windows, I can spray the backyard, the front yard, and it kills mosquitoes too. One thing about the Orchid Man I didn't like, that we worked 9 to 5. It was very hard. Well, I was working in the warehouse before I went, across the street, what they call it. So the warehouse, I was on Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So on Wednesday, I can make an appointment for Wednesday to come in the house, spray, and be done. But since I'm working 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, and they close at 5 o'clock, it's very hard to get them inside the home versus Saturdays. And Saturdays, they work every other Saturday, and then when I do schedule for a Saturday, they'll be closed. My neighbor. They're not closed, but they'll be booked. So, but the past 4 times I called for a Saturday, they make it completely booked. So when they do come to the house, they only spray once every other month. So I mean, which is fine. But when they do spray, we'll be at work. So I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they're doing a good job or not. I don't know, do they spray on the windows? Are they spraying the whole foundation? Are they spraying the bushes too? I don't know. I really don't know. So, yeah, nothing wrong with the service, but you wonder. So that's why I decided to get rid of them and to do it myself. And the process of doing it myself is 2 positive things. The only pros and cons. The only con is that I'll waste more time. It will take me maybe 35 minutes to get the mix the chemicals together, put some clothes on, and spray the whole house, use the whole gallon, whatever. But the pros are I save money, and I know that the work is done. I can spray it not only the house, but the bushes, the grass, the trees, the shrubs, the backyard. I have a shed as well in my back. I can spray that as well because a lot of spiders and bugs in there. I can spray that as well, keep the bugs out of there as well. So it looks like it's a good thing. I counseled them. So that's one thing. The next thing we have done is we was paying a lot of money for home security. And it was paying about $50 a month. That's a lot of money for home security. And one of our family members said they pay way cheaper than that. I'm talking 10 to 15 bucks a month. So I did some research on that, and I, do-it-yourself security systems is on the rise right now, and I counseled my once I saw the price, how much you'll pay. You got to pay for equipment up front, but you only pay 10, 15 bucks, 20 bucks a month for home security, and then we'll get. Be a long story short, the company I had got bought out 3 or 4 times. So I was paying $25 a month in the beginning, which is not bad, but every other year they get bought out and the price keeps going up. And and then the thing is, but my equipment didn't get better; it stayed the same. So I decided to do a do-it-yourself security system, and I kind of enjoy doing it. Once you do it yourself versus get somebody else to come do it, it feels better when you do it, because you know it's done. You know that the doors got sensors, windows got sensors, everything. So it feels better. So I eliminated that bill. When I eliminated, I got a cheaper bill. So that really helps. So those two bills I got lowered or eliminated. One thing we did was I invested in a hedge trimmer. I invested in a weed whacker, and I pretty much cut all the grass all year long this year. Last year I hired a guy. He charged $40 to mow the lawn because it was really hot last year. And this year wasn't too bad, but this year I did all myself. So if you're paying someone to cut your grass, now you're an older person and you can't physically do it, keep paying that person because you won't be able to hurt yourself. But if you're a young person and you could do it yourself, go and invest the money into a lawnmower. A lawnmower is like $90 to $100, and I bought my lawnmower maybe 4 or 5 years ago. It's still going strong, so it'll pay for itself. I invest into a hedge trimmer, like $60. I got a weed whacker for like $45. So I got all these things to help me keep my lawn good until the wintertime when I don't grow no more, and it saves me money because I had to hire someone to do it. So the way you do it is go ahead and cut your grass. Then with the spray that I got a sprayer, I go, and since I'm already outside, go ahead and mix the stuff up and spray and be done with it. So those are some ways you can start saving money. See what bills you got. Now, lowering the light bill is harder. Maybe get some energy efficient bulbs, energy efficient appliances for your car insurance. Call around different companies and see the benefits, the pros and cons, and the cost compared to what you're paying now. That's another way to, cause if you're paying $120 and company constantly will charge you $75, $80, I'll go ahead and do it because over time it will save you some money. So try that as well. I'll think about something else. Another thing you could do is phone service. I have Verizon, Sprint, all the places are extremely high. I have Verizon for almost 15 years. I had was 15, got rid of one was 30. That was expensive. I was paying $90 for one line, and now I'm paying $80 for 2 lines for me and my wife. So it was like, okay, I'm saving $10, but she got a line and I got a line, and we split the bill. Now we use Cricket Wireless that runs off AT&T. Phone service is fantastic. So hey, if you got Sprint, Verizon, think about going to a prepaid service that has great services. I mean, there's so many out there, and the service is just as good. So there's a couple of things that help you save money. Start doing do it yourself. Do it yourself. You're paying an exterminator. Learn how to do it yourself. Buy this stuff, buy the equipment, buy the pesticides, insecticides. It'll last you a long time. The Tile-Star Pro, Tile-Star P, which I'm gonna do a review about that as well. I seen somebody bought a pint of that stuff. It lasted them a year. So just imagine, a pint is like $31. So that $31 is gonna last me a year. So try to do it yourself. Cut your grass yourself. Do your own pest control yourself. Do your home security yourself. Monitor it yourself through apps. Try to get a lower phone plan. Try to go to a prepaid plan. A prepaid plan, your bill never goes up or down. It's always the same. Try to use more energy efficient equipment. I mean, the devices in your home. And try to cut out cable. People at my job pay $220, $230 a month just in the cable internet. And you don't need it these days. The cable is dead. I would rather use Hulu or Netflix with internet service, and my bill would be cheaper. And on my YouTube channel, I show you how you can watch movies and TV shows for the real low. Okay, so there's no reason for you to pay $220 a month and the cable, and you work 40 hours a week, and you have kids. So how many shows do you actually watch besides Power and the have-nots? I mean, you only watch 3 or 4 shows, maybe some sports, but you're paying $220 a month. That's ridiculous. Give her the cable. Go on Netflix. Go to YouTube Live. YouTube Live is like 30 or 40 bucks a month. So with your internet by itself, you might pay $40, $50 a month. With YouTube Live, you might pay $40. So you're paying $100 a month, but you're cutting your bill in half. You're cutting your bill in half. So these are the ways to save some money. You can save some serious money by cutting things out you don't need. You could do it yourself. You could call around and get a better quote and everything else. Stop eating out so much. Maybe from September, the end of September to December, you should try to save money, because why? You got Christmas coming up, New Year, Thanksgiving. You have a lot of family functions coming up, Black Friday, and you need money. So the best thing you can do now is to stop eating out, save more money, hoping high yield savings accounts to put that money in. Cook you a big pot of spaghetti, eat that for 2-3 days. Cook you some chicken wings, eat that for 2-3 days. Make a pot of lasagna, eat that for 2-3 days. And use coupons. You get a lot of coupons in the mail. Use coupons you get in the mail. That also helps. Use cashback apps on your phone. Use the Dosh app. You get $1 back. And it's not a lot of money, but over time it adds up. Use the Get Upside Gas app. Every time you get gas, you scan your gas receipt and you get cash back. Right now, since I've been using the gas app, hell, I've been using it since April to September. I made $61 just by scanning my gas receipt. That's just free money. So these are some ways to save money. Just rethink your bills. What bill can you eliminate, or what bill can you make cheaper? What bill you can do yourself? Can I cut the grass myself? I'll do it myself from now on. Can I do do-it-yourself security system, save some money? I can do that myself. Can I cut out this pest control bill? Can I cut out cable and go with another lower bill? Can I cut out there's a Verizon bill, the Sprint bill, that's a lot of money. T-Mobile bill is a lot of money. Can I cut those things out? By cutting those things out, you will save money. How can I save money on my light bill? Maybe more installation in your home, energy efficient devices, cut lights off, keep things off. That's will also help. Save on gas. When you one thing I do like, instead of me, sometimes if you get out of work at a good time, if you're already out, go ahead and do your grocery shopping while you're already out, then come home, versus on your day off, instead of you getting your car and going to the store and coming back, you're burning gas. How about you go ahead and go shopping while you're already out, then come home? That way on the weekend you don't have to go buy groceries. You gotta do anything but stay home and save that gas money. So yeah, there are plenty of ways to save some money. You want to save money by cutting out bills and expenses, cutting out things you don't need and want, and cutting out things you can do yourself. That security bill, the security bill right now, and the Orkin, man, and you throwing cutting grass, I probably save $150 a month. Just cutting those things out and doing them myself. That's it. And with the home security, once you it's easy. It's easy. You just stick it and you're good to go. You hook it up, you're good to go. And with the security system, once you have it set up, it's done. It's done. You don't got nothing else. You don't got to check anything else. It's done. And with the pest control, you do it once a month. You do it once a month. You cut the grass, do it once a month. So all these things that I tell you to cut out, you do it once a month. You do it once a month, and you'll save money. You save money. So my name is Ty with SKN.com. I'll write a blog post about this as well. I got more videos coming out. I got a new video coming out I'm going to do soon. Probably tomorrow, Saturday. It's called the Pizza Hut Hack. I find a way to get, when you order Pizza Hut pizza, you get cash back on 2 apps that I didn't know had it on there. And check that video out. Download all the links below the video. Acorns. Get on Acorns. Get money back in your Acorns account by buying stuff. Get the Dosh app. You know what I'm saying? Get the Dosh app. Go ahead and get it. You get cash back on restaurants by link below. Get the Get Upside Gas app. You scan your gas receipt. You get cash back within 48 hours. You get a couple dollars back. Over time, it adds up. That link below the video as well. My name is Tyler, AskKenny.com. Help you try to save money, make more money, how to hold money. And I'll see you next time.